Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the Scentatar Fragrance Channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today we're going to be talking about all about burning oud. Now, burning oud isn't for everybody. This is not something that everybody is going to be interested in, but this is how to burn oud. I really want to help y'all experience oud, experience natural ingredients, and learn about them. I've been doing a documentary series. I'll link the videos below if you haven't had a chance to check those out. But here we go with burning oud. I already burnt some. I honestly was recording different ways and to present this, and I ended up just going for it and burning it, and I wanted to share with y'all how you can burn it yourself. So if you want to burn oud, if you want to experience this ingredient for yourself, the quality, the beauty, all the benefits of health. So for some people, it's about protection. Oud is a very special ingredient. Now again, Sabili is where I got this. I'm not paid to say this, but they do want their name out there. This is Sabili collection. This is one of their lowest grade ouds. I got this box with about 10 chips about this size for about 20 or 25 bucks. Now this is the most affordable oud that I've ever found, and I think you can really get. So they're really generous. They come out of Malaysia, but a lot of their incenses come out of Indonesia. I don't know everything about oud at all, but I'm still learning. I know there's vastly different qualities. Some oud chips can be worth thousands of dollars, and some of them are aged for years and decades. So this is a low-grade oud, but this one smells ambery and sappy and a little bit animalic. I quite like the smell. I don't think it's too intense. I think that this is easy to enjoy, easy to wear, and is a really nice experience. Now, let's talk about burning the oud. How do you go about burning oud? How do you experience burning oud? Now, first off, again, you have to pick your oud. Again, I bought it from Sabili. Next is you got to decide how you're going to burn it. You can burn one of these directly. You can just light the tip of it, get a nice amber, burn it down to an amber with a torch, with a lighter. Lighters are going to be your easiest way to go about this. But that is not what I personally recommend. What I recommend is that you either, whittle it down to little pieces, either with a microplane, a cheese grater, if that's the only thing you have, or even a knife. You can get one of these Moras or an Opinel, which are very affordable and certainly are going to do the job quite nicely. Or you can really just go and burn directly on a charcoal tablet. And that's what I'm doing here today. If you burn incense, you're already going to have these in your house. You're already going to know all about these, and you're ready to share, ready to use. This is what they look like, guys. They have a little place for incense right in the middle, and they're beautiful, pre-formed, and they just work magic. And you do want to keep them sealed because they do have a little bit of starter inside that's going to evaporate, I think, away if you don't keep them protected. So that's the way I would go about it. Now, if you don't want to mess with salt, you don't have to. But one of the great tricks of incense, one of the special tricks of incense, is that underneath, with incense, with that little divot, you put salt there. I didn't do that today, but if you do that, it helps spread the heat more evenly. It helps you get a more even burn, and just creates a better experience where there's less burning, and there's just better aroma. So that's what we got here today. I'm just burning some for y'all. I can feel the heat off the charcoal. The beautiful oud is burning. I'm gonna get this close for y'all so y'all can see this. The sap and the resin out of the oud is just oozing and popping, and it's a beautiful thing. So see here. Let me know if you can see that. See? Do you see the resin? Do you see it popping and oozing out of the wood? That's real oud, y'all. That is the sap and the resin, and it's beautiful, and it smells beautiful. Okay, so if you've never seen real oud like that, that is what we're talking about. That is real oud, and it is a beautiful thing. So, real oud for you guys. You can use a ceramic bowl in your house. Dedicate that one ceramic bowl to incense and to oud if you want to get by in the cheapest setup possible. I personally bought one of these little ceramic incense dishes. They're perfect for sticking incense sticks inside the sand here, which disperses the heat, keeps your house a lot safer. Then I personally made a setup where I bought a little ceramic bowl. and I put that bowl on top of the sand, and this is where I burn my incense, so I don't have to keep cleaning my sand or replacing the sand inside. And it disperses the heat and makes it safe for you to use it in your house. If you want to be even more safe, it comes with a lid, and you can put that lid on top. And then what you got here is a setup where, look at that, it just burns out of the top. So that's what we got going on here today. This is a beautiful thing, guys. A really beautiful thing. I hope that y'all enjoy. I hope that y'all like oud. Let me know if you've experienced oud, if you burned your own oud, if this is something you're interested in. I think that this is a great how-to video. Most videos on YouTube just show you burning oud in a bakor, which are not easy to get in the USA. You're probably not familiar with them. A lot of people who burn incense, they already know about this. They already know how to do this. This is what the things that they're already going to have in their own house. So I think this is the best way to go about it, guys. I think, let me know if this is content you like. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you did enjoy this video today. This is the Centaur Fragrance channel. Again, all you have to do to burn oud is get yourself a nice incense charcoal tablet. Get yourself a pack if you're ready to burn incense. You're already going to have this. The multi-purpose, I guess you could say. Then you're going to get yourself a nice ceramic bowl. I would get something a little bit more ornamental, something that's a little bit nicer of a setup. I believe this is limestone or soapstone, and then you're all set. You don't need to mess with the microplane. You don't need to mess with the knives. But let me know if this is content you like. Again, all you have to do to light this is go around the edge with your lighter or your torch, and just go around the edge of it, and eventually it's just gonna burn, and it's gonna be beautiful. So thank y'all so much for being here today. I'll see y'all next time. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. This is the Centaur Fragrance channel. Peace out. Have some fun. Enjoy your day. Enjoy life, and live life to the max. Meditate. Keep focus. Keep a keep good frame of mind. We all need to meditate. We all need to have some peace and some calm. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out. Have a good one. This is the Centaur Fragrance channel. Wear what you love. I guess I'm wearing incense today, or oud, because it's all on my clothes. I'll see ya, and bye.